Home Remedies presents one ingredient weight loss treatment. Did you know that cumin seeds, also known as zeera, has the potential of helping you lose weight because of a unique active ingredient, Thymoquinone, a naturally occurring chemical that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Thymoquinone can target free radicals in your body, assisting your body in cleansing itself of toxins. Therefore, you can take cumin tea to lose weight effectively. This will help in reducing weight. This is one of the great health benefits of cumin tea. Cumin tea reduces weight by increasing the metabolism of the body. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, water 1 glass. Procedure: just add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds in a glass of water and boil it for 10 minutes. Drink this water after every meal or 4 to 5 times in a day. This zeera tea will increase the metabolism and help you lose weight. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.